Hi, I'm Julie Hanson, licensed marriage and family therapist and founder of Inner Evolution. Most of the couples we work with ask for the same thing: help with communication and conflict resolution skills. This course is that help. We've taken the most practical, proven tools from DBT, which stands for dialectical behavior therapy, and adapted them for couples in long term committed relationships. DBT helps reduce reactivity, improve understanding, and create lasting change. When couples learn just a few simple skills together, everything starts to shift. You move from feeling stuck to feeling seen, from arguing in circles to real conversations that move you forward, not apart. One of the cool things about the DBT system is that it gives you a shared language you can use every day to stay connected, communicate clearly, and prevent small issues from becoming big ones. And when both people feel heard and respected, intimacy and connection naturally grow. These tools will help you stay in dialogue even when emotions run high, so you can repair faster and connect more deeply. If you're ready to build a more connected, resilient relationship, I'd love to have you join us.